Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you a new dash camera which is having 3 camera feature. So now with the technology changing and your need also changing, so this camera will be covering the video for on the front of the car, on the back of the car, plus inside the car. Especially it is useful for the people who are driving Uber or the taxi because it has the inside recording facility also. This camera is very handy and perhaps you need installation only for the back camera. So that way the front and back and the inside camera, all 3 recording at the same time, which will be very useful when you required it. So keep watching this video. I will show you what is inside the box and how does it works. So this is the camera. It has this camera lens for inside, and this one is the front camera lens. It's very compact. So as you can see, it comes with the 5 things. This is the camera, and this is the car charging cable, and plus this is the stand for the camera holder, and this is the back camera. For that specially you need a proper electrician to install that, and then is a small user manual, so which is pretty easy and compact. This is a Chinese camera, so let's see how good the quality will be. So as you can see, the clip is attached on the back of the camera, so which is pretty easy. So this is the charging point, and on the right is a slot for the micro SD card. So it doesn't come up with the micro SD card. So as you can see, the camera I have installed, I haven't installed the back camera reversing camera yet, but it is installed, and as perhaps you can't see clearly because it's a daytime, but it is recording the inside as well as outside. There is a window for inside on the top right side, and it's recording the outside view also. As you can see, I can try to show you properly. So but this is a very compact camera and good for in case there is an accident or any incident. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.